Dok, nagpa-purging ako, hindi ba hiyang yung skincare ko sa akin? So guys, hindi ibig sabihin na nagpa-purge ka ay hindi ka nahiyang sa ginagamit mong skincare. Hindi lahat ng acne breakouts ay purging. So yung purging ay ang temporary worsening ng ating acne na associated sa paggamit ng mga bagong topicals kagaya ng topical retinoids. Pero alam nyo ba guys, sa totoo lang, experiential lang ito and there is actually lacking studies linking that retinoids are the ones responsible for the purging. But you know what most research show? It actually suggests that using retinoids regularly leads to acne clearance. So, Dok, paano ka malalaman kung nagpe-purging ako? So, I usually tell my patients to watch for these signs, no? So, if nagkakaroon ka ng increase in the number, okay, dumadami yung usual pimples mo from before, and number two, pag nagkakaroon ka ng pimples on areas na hindi ka naman nagkakaroon ng pimples before. And number three, mas galit yung mga acne mo, mas red siya, mas malaki, and mas masakit compared to the acne that you had before. And nangyayari ito lahat within 6 to 8 weeks of using a new topical, then you can suspect purging. Pero guys, ang totoong hiyang is yung irritation or nagkakaroon kayo ng allergies. So, Doc, paano ba malalaman kung allergy na yung meron ako? If nagkaroon ka ng flare ng acne breakout mo and may kasama itong background of redness, may rashes, may panghahapdi and pamumula, then it could possibly be irritation. Pero, pag may nasamang pangangate from those symptoms, then probably allergy ito. And usually guys, nangyayari ito within 24 to 48 hours of using your topicals. Pero guys, pag irritation, mas mabilis. So usually guys, pag irritation ito, mas mabilis itong nangyayari. Okay? So 24 to 48 hours, possibly ito ay allergy. Pero kung mas mabilis siya, nagkaroon ng paghahapdi and burning sensation kaagad within 15 minutes or less, then possibly irritation po ito. Pero guys, ang pinaka-challenging lang, purging, and also allergy and irritation can happen all at once. Kaya minsan medyo confusing yung presentation ng mga lesions sa ating mga mukha. So minsan din nakakalito and hindi natin ma-determine kung purging ba siya or irritation or combination of these many things. Kaya dito pumapasok ang ating board certified dermatologist. Pero guys, ang pinaka-importante kung gumamit kayo ng topicals, nagkaroon ng pamamaga and nagsiswell yung face ninyo and yung lips ninyo nagsiswell, nahihirapan kayong huminga, stop agad yung mga ginagamit yung topicals, pumunta na agad sa nearest ER and inform your board-certified dermatologist about what's happening, okay? Pag hindi sure guys, magtanong sa ating board-certified dermatologist. If you have questions about irritation, purging, acne, you can send me a message or comment below. For more skin tips from a board-certified dermatologist, follow me at Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!